conceive. Clear your mind. Let's turn these pieces into something special tonight. That's right, that's right, that's right. 1,000 pieces scattered like stars across the floor. I'm looking at the colors and I'm searching for some more. A tiny little 2x4, a foundation made of gray. Watching all the stress of life start to melt away. It's the click, it's the snap, the creation by hand. Building up a world that I've already got planned. From a pile of the chaos to a vision so refined. It's a symphony of plastic and piece by piece of mind. Brick by brick, we're building a dream. The smoothest little project you've ever seen. Click it once, snap it twice, let the feeling flow. Watching Shelly